morning, everybody. This morning, I come before all of you with mixed feelings. This is a special day. Yes, being our beloved chairman, Shri P. Jivandas' birthday. Today is also commemorated as Founders' Day, and on this auspicious day, we install our captains for the academic year. Today, I stand before all of you in remembrance of our dear sir. Our dear sir was a great visionary. His thoughts have etched a mark for themselves in our hearts, in our actions, and in our deeds. Sir always said, work with perseverance, diligence, and rest is taken care by God. Yes, we wish to follow in his footsteps. We wish to move ahead, surge ahead in our day-to-day activities according to Sir's wishes. His vision was always to serve the underprivileged. And here at Canaan Christ, as a family, we come forward to always serve the society, to set an example to the younger generation. Sir has been a wonderful father. He has instilled in me values of life which will remain and which will always be carried forward. Whatever I am today is all because of my loving father. Yes, I feel an honor and a privilege to be called his daughter. On this day, I would like to say one thing which our dear chairman, Shri Jivandas, always said. Work and serve. This is the only thing we can do as human beings to the society. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'm here to share a few words about our dear sir, our founder chairman Shri Jivandas. Our sir was a visionary leader whose indomitable spirit and relentless work with his innovative ideas helped him to overcome many obstacles and hurdles before setting up our institution, Canaan Christ Public School. His vision and desire was always to make our school one of a top-notch quality, providing quality education to those needy who cannot afford to get education in higher institutions. He was an amazing human being, kind, caring, concerned, affectionate to all in the institution alike, without any different stage. He was a fun-loving person, enthusiastic, cheerful, and his cheerfulness and exuberance spread to one and all in the institution, making every staff and student of Canaan Christ Public School looking forward to go to school to learn or to teach. He looked up to every staff of Canaan Christ Public School as his own child. He was a fatherly figure for all of us, and that is why the loss of him is felt as a personal one by one and all in the institution. Though our sir is not here physically amidst us to guide us, but we have our tasks clearly etched out, and that is one, to carry on his vision, his goals, what he would have wanted us to do, to give quality education and keep the school flag flying high. This is not an easy task, but definitely we would be able to achieve this with the guidance what he has provided all these years, the motivation what he has provided, and definitely the perseverance and the dedication of all in the institution, with the blessings of the Lord and the blessings of our dear sir from above. Happy birthday, dear sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಹಂಕಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಯಾವ ಧರ್ಮ ಗ್ರಂಥವನ್ನು ಓದದೆ, ಯಾವ ಮಂದಿರವನ್ನು ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸದೆ ಮೋಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಅವರು ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಮಂತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೇನೋ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಪರೂಪದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್. ಒಬ್ಬ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅತಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿನೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಗೌರವಯುತವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಪರೂಪದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್. ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗುರು ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಇವರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಕರಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿರುವವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತರಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಸಂತೋಷದ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಹಾಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರ ಬಳಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೋರಂಜಕರಾಗಿದ್ದರು ಮತ್ತು ಕುಟುಂಬಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವಸ್ವವೂ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳೇ ಕಳೆದಿವೆ. ಆದರೂ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಗೇಟಿಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಜೀವನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಅವರ ಅನುಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾನೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವೇನನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಅನೇಕ ಘಟನೆಗಳಿದೆ, ಇದು ಕೊನೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ್ದು ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಸ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ರುಚಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಸವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಚಮಚ ತಿಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸತ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಸತ್ಯ. ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಯಾರೂ ತುಂಬೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಪಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾನೂ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಾನೂ ಸಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನೀವು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆ. ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಈ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸದಾ ನಡೆಯುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಎರಡು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈ ನನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sudha. I am teacher in Canon Christ Public School. Today I am here to speak few words about our beloved sir, Mr. Jeevan Das, our founder of Canon Christ Public School. I am becoming little emotional to speak about him. There are lot of qualities in sir. I am very small person to speak about him. Mr. Jeevan Das was known for his commitment, hard work and dedication towards his work. His attitude towards his work has been inspiration for all of us. He encouraged teachers and brought good outcomes from us. Although he is no more, but his kindness, his attitude and his culture will stay forever. He was a positive person and his arrow is filled everywhere. He was an best example for educational icon and savior for staff and students. Thank you sir for giving best ideas and opinions. With your best ideas and opinions we can lead our life in a best way and we can bring our institution in a greater level to the greater height. Thank you sir. We miss you sir.
Hello everyone. Today 26th June 2021, we are celebrating our beloved sir's first birth anniversary in his remembrance. This day was always observed as investiture ceremony in our school. But it's so sad that sir is not with us anymore. It's so unfortunate that sir is not with us. but we have to accept this and move on. Sir was a father figure to all of us. We CCPS family used to always respect him. The way Sir used to conduct himself, the generosity he had, the humbleness he had, that nobody can. He was so down to earth person. We must have heard about many schools chairmen, how they conduct themselves. But our sir used to never dictate or judge on anybody. He was so friendly with each and every faculty of CCPS. And I especially feel really blessed that Sir was our chairman and I am a part of CCPS family and working under Sir. Sir was so friendly with me. We used to have a very good time. Whenever I entered office room, Sir used to always welcome with a smile. And head ma'am, head sir, both of you used to call me beautiful. The word beautiful used to always bring smile on my face. I really miss all those things. And we, Radhika and myself, always used to tease Sir and bring headman in between, saying, "Ma'am, see Sir what he is doing." That nobody would have got such kind of opportunities. Everybody with great respect we used to honor Sir. But we had got an opportunity where we used to be so friendly with Sir and tease Sir, and Sir also used to happily be with us, enjoy with us. All these things will be remembered forever. Sir, you are really a blessing to all of us and we really miss you very much.
Hello everyone. Since this is the first time we are celebrating our beloved Sir's birthday without him, it is a very sad part of all. But anyhow, we have to move on with all the blessings of our Sir and whatever he taught us. And here I would like to share few things about our beloved Sir. He was one of the blessing hand to all of us, not only one single person, to all of us. And we really miss you, dear head Sir. And you are a wonderful person, Sir, whom we got the care and respect. And we really miss you on this day. Your love itself was a great treasure for all of us, and you have given cherished memories to all of us to be with. And I know from the heaven you are definitely looking down up above and sending out smiles with the days of sunshine and showers of love. You will always be in our hearts, Sir, and you will always alive in our memories. Thank you. We will miss you, Sir. A very happy birthday in your heavens.
This is a video, a small tribute from my side to our beloved Sir on this Founders Day. This day has a special place in my life as it's my joining day to CCPS family. Still, I remember how grandly we celebrated Sir's birthday in June 2019. The way we walked from school to the ground, the investiture ceremony, the Sir's addressal to the children, etc. I observed post ceremony how Sir greet and meet every teacher. I was so impressed that being an authoritarian, how humble and ground to earth he was. Not only the ceremony, but after all the events, Sir never criticized for anything, but he used to pick the best elements and appreciate us. He treated everyone equally. He was never biased towards seniors or freshers. Always smiling. In a short period of time, I have learned so many things from him. On this day, I really miss him and I pray Almighty to give him eternal peace.
Good morning, everyone. I want to speak few lines about our head sir on occasion of Founders Day. Sir, you were such a lovable and caring person. Your love we cannot express. Sir, you were very down to earth personality. The sorrow we feel when we lose a loved ones. Miss you, sir. Miss you so much.
Good morning, ma'am and teachers. Hope you all are doing good. I'm happy to be a part of this Founders Day. I thank our Shanti ma'am for giving us this opportunity to express our feeling towards our sir on this Founders Day. Our sir is not with us today, but the days we spend with him are really memorable and cherishable. In CCPS, I have spent 3 years in his presence. Those 3 years are like 3 decades for me. Whenever I used to laugh, talk, and enjoy with him, it literally felt like I was the happiest teacher in the campus. Really blessed to have a person like him. He is truly a humble soul and down to earth person. Whenever I have work pressure on me, talking to him relieves my stress because of his humorous and energetic character. I like to show a photo here which we had taken on last year's sir's birthday. After taking that pic, he told me that he has a small gift for me. Unfortunately, I didn't get it. I didn't get as I left the school early. When I think of it today, those words are itself a gift. To be honest, a short video is absolutely not enough for anyone to express their feeling towards Sir. This video is just a glimpse. It is a tribute. It is a reflection of our memories. We all miss him truly. Still, he is alive in our heart. Thank you.
Hello, all. Good morning. It is really hard to say goodbye to a fatherly figure like you, our dear sir. On 2019, June 26, it was investiture function, the year which I joined into CCPS family, dear sir. I still remember the way ma'am introduced me to you and the song you sang for me, dear sir. It is really hard to say goodbye to you, dear sir. There are a lot more things to learn from you, and you will be remembered in our days and missed, dear sir.
Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. 26 June is a very special day for the CCPS family as it was the birthday of our beloved chairman, Mr. Jeevan Das. We used to celebrate it as investiture ceremony. Unfortunately, we lost Sir last year. It's really very hard to believe. Not even death can break the bond we had. Sadly, I got only 1 year to spend time with Sir as I was newly joined to the institution. I consider it a great honor to speak a few words about him. He was truly an inspiration for me and all of us. He was an ever smiling, charming, caring, and a loving person. Our beloved head sir was the fountainhead of illuminating ideas. The main thing which I miss the most is for each and every special occasion in CCPS, Sir used to distribute flowers to all the teachers. That shows his love and affection towards us. You're always loved and never forgotten, sir. The best thing in him which I have noticed is he was the man with simple living and high thinking. I know you're always there in our hearts, watching over and guiding us. You were the most amazing person and light of our lives. May you rest in peace, sir. From this year, this day is being declared as a Founders Day. So, wish you all a very happy Founders Day. Thank you.
Words about our dearly head sir, a person with humble heart. His love and care towards his staff, students were tremendous. His smile attracted each and every one of us, sir. Sir, you had been such an inspiration for each and every one of us. We just miss you, sir. We miss you.
Hello everyone, I am Reena. Today I am here to pay gratitude to our beloved head sir. He was a good person, monitor, mentor and an instructor. Moreover that, he was a man of kindness, affection and joy. In my 9 years of experience in Canaan Christ Public School, hardly I have seen sir in angry mood. Always he will be cool with a sweet smile. Everybody know during most of our gatherings, sir used to come and address us and give us the blossom flowers. That surely we are going to miss you, sir. Nowhere we can find this kind of management. So many cherishable moments you have gifted us, sir, with your humor sense and simple jokes. Talk about you so much we have, sir, but still your physical appearance is such a great loss for all of us. We miss you, sir, but we know that you are watching us all the time and you are showering the blessing on us on each and every moment of our activity. We miss you, sir. Miss you a lot.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಸರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಜ್ಞಾನ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಬಾಯಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ಹೇಳುವಷ್ಟು ಜ್ಞಾನ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಸಹ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಇರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಅವರು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ತಂದೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಯಜಮಾನ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ವ್ಯಾವಹಾರಿಕವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗಿಂತನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಷ್ಟ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ, ಕರುಣಾಮಯಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ನೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾರೂ ಭಾವಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನಂತೂ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Ma'am, HMM and teachers, on our head sir's birthday, I would like to cherish some memorable moments about him. He was a wonderful mentor, guide whose vision of education and greatness will always inspire us. I cherish the memorable moments that he would make sure that every teacher had a jasmine flowers in every special occasion. This is my heartfelt wishes about him. His guidance and services towards our institution will be eternal. Thank you all for giving an opportunity to speak about such a wonderful person.
Hello everyone. 26th June is the day when we celebrate our beloved sir's birthday every year as an University Teacher ceremony. But it is very unfortunate that our sir is not with us. Our sir, a very down-to-earth personality and a fatherly figure for all of us. On this occasion of 86th birthday anniversary marked as Founders Day, I would like to quote few lines about sir. As we all know, few words cannot describe sir's complete personality. But I would like to say few words. Sir, you were a success who lived well, laughed often, and loved much, who had gained the respect of all and the love of children, who had filled, Nick, and accomplished his task, who lived the world better than he found it, who had never lacked appreciation of earth's beauty or failed to express it. Our dear sir, who looked for the best in others and gave the best sir had. Yes, sir, you were an inspiration, motivation, a guidance, and above all, a fatherly figure for all of us. Sir, we miss you, but you are there, always in our hearts, guiding, motivating, and inspiring us always. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mercy. I'm glad to be a part of our CCPS family. It's a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to share a few words about our beloved sir. As you know, our sir was a man of simple living and high thinking. He was a central figure of our family CCPS. He was a person with strong personality, instructional leader, polite and gentle. He made the students to grow in wisdom and in grace. He inspired the teachers to be creative in their thinking and teaching. Sir was always approachable and open-minded. Yes, obviously too helpful to deal with all the ups and downs of our ma'am. He does not allow the students to waste their time out of the class. Education is students' passport for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. On the day of 26th June, God gave us the greatest gift. He built a culture focused on students. Character is the real foundation of all worthwhile success. Sir wanted our school to be trusted, not simply liked. Yes, he was a man, as Bible says in the book of 1 Corinthians 16:14. Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, hearing with one another in love. We love you, sir. It's not just word from the tip of our tongue. It's from the bottom of our heart. Hats off you, sir. Thank you.